Ready? Guess what we are filming? Can you focus? So, oh, it's already open. Fuck. Ta-da! Come on in. Welcome to my big ass apartment. So since you guys are here, a set of certain rules that I have for my apartment. You cannot walk in with your shoes. You have to leave your shoes outside, and you have to be in my house in slippers or barefoot. I don't care, but I don't like, people coming with their shoes inside my apartment, if that makes sense. So how do I start this? This is where you enter from. It has this Friends frame on the door because I'm obsessed with the show and it's literally my favorite show. And then this is where we guys chill. This is my living room. It's small, I think, but it's big enough for all of us. Come here. I don't know what to tell you guys about the living room. Whenever my friends come home, this is where we get drunk. This is where we play all the games. How should I explain this? Maybe I should talk about, tiny aspects of my living room. There's this basket here. There's this fluffy blanket, which we literally don't use. I have never used it, so this is just cute for the living room. So that's that. There's a charger for iPhone people because I don't entertain Android people in my house. I'm just kidding. I just don't use Android in general. Then I got this table from Banjara actually. It was quite a good deal. I paid I think 4K for this table. You'll see candles everywhere in my house because I love the fact, when you enter in someone's house and it smells all nice, even though my smell is gone after COVID, it never came back. It's been 4 months. But for other people, I want to show that kindness and I want them to enter in my house and it should just smell good. Did that make sense? Okay, good. Then there are some napkins, hand fucking sanitizer because COVID. Other than candles, you'll see chapstick on every table. Why, you may ask? I don't fucking know. Coasters, because also there's rule number 1, Rule number 1, you can't enter my house with your shoes on. Rule number 2, you can't put your drinks on the table because if you do that, the table gets fucked. It's anyway fucked. Thanks to my asshole friends, they fucked the table. But it's okay, I love them. So, kinda works. Moving on, I would like to show you my TV top. Is it a TV top? Some coffee table books are like gifted. None of these are like actually mine. I got this as a gift from my best friend Parth, and then I also got this from him, and this is from my other friend. Her name is Sen, and this decoration piece is actually from Italy. When I was living there, I visited a small town, right? Got it from there. That's pretty much it. I had this from my graduation when I was. So I have this from my graduation when I was in design school. They wanted us to sketch this in different variations, like you can move it, right? So I had to sketch this piece of shit every day for 1 year. Yeah. Other than that, I have a few games. Like I have Uno, I have playing cards, which I hate. Then I have some more books. these are actually mine. A Polaroid camera. I love taking pictures and I love making new memories. So thoughtful, right? I also have a Nintendo Switch. It doesn't work. You want my house address? It's yeah. You're most welcome. You can come home whenever you guys want. Then moving on, I have a lot of plants in my house. It's so fucking hard to take care of these plants. It's really annoying and you need a lot of patience and you need a lot of, I don't know, brain I think. There's this lamp. We never use it, but it's just there doing its job. A yoga mat. Do I work out? No. This is my workstation, which is a mess, but honestly I like it like that. I want it to be a mess. I have no explanation for it whatsoever, but that's how I like it. I have speakers. I hardly use them. I have a few pictures of my loved ones. These are my friends. And that's me right there. Look at that. He's cute and that's my dad. I'm super close to him. Oh yeah, there's this really cool thing about this table. I DIY'd it. I got this made for 900 bucks and then I painted it myself. You'll see a candle, some nice books which I've never read. I actually bought these from Veg Non Veg but never read these. It's really hard to read. I mean it. Stop laughing at. Then I have this top shelf which I bought from Banjara again for 500 bucks. What a fucking steal, right? Some more plants, some cute stuff on top. This is from my friend. She owns a thrift store. Her name is Vintage Vogue India. I'll link it in the description below. Check it out. She has like amazing stuff, like totally worth it. I have this analog camera which I got as a gift from Part. I love using it. Then these super cool famous glasses from my Instagram. You guys even follow me on Instagram? If you don't, you guys suck. I was supposed to frame this poster. I have been postponing the framing since, I don't know, 4 years. And then I was like, fuck this shit, I'll just stick it to the wall. But the fuck all part is, just look at how I fit. How the alignment is fucked. Whatever, it's okay. Then there's this wall. Why did I put this on the wall? I don't know. I was trying something, trying to be artsy and shit. I don't think it worked out. It looks like shit. There's this plant. I really hate this plant, honestly. It's so fucking ugly, first of all. Since now it's a part of my house, I have to take care of it. So there are rugs in my house literally everywhere. Then I have some baskets down there to, you know, shove my extra stuff in. I love this plant, just bought it. It's kind of dying. Moving on, there's another rug which I got from Banjara again for I think 900 bucks. And this is our drop everything table. So no matter who comes, we drop everything here. Did that make sense? So this table is kind of pointless. I don't know why we have it. There's a candle. Smells amazing. Some sauces. You want to see the sauces? I would show it you guys. That's sriracha because I love spicy food. There's Tabasco. If you guys haven't tried this jalapeno one, it's so fucking good. You guys should really try it out. There's soy sauce for sushi and some protein powder. Next to the useless kind of table, the pointless one, you enter the kitchen. My kitchen is quite boring. You'll see a rug. Hell's Kitchen look a little, you know, put together and sort of pretty because the kitchen was ugly. Then you'll see this counter with some cutlery, some nice plates, some chopping board and stuff, a plant, microwave, oven, a mocha pot. I have so many mocha pots. There's one more. Stuff to cook with. Then boring stuff. You will see pots and pans. Basic shit, right? Garlic spoons and knives and forks and scissors and chopsticks. This drawer is quite organized. I'm really proud of myself. Some mugs and glasses. More mugs. Here Here you will see tea, sugar and coffee. I never drink tea, it's for my friend. Also my roommate, she loves to have tea, so it's basically hers. I never use it. Other than that, these bottles are for oil. I think this is quite cool. We use like alcohol bottles, like gin bottles and vodka bottles for oil and stuff. This was supposed to be for a plant, which we never got, so I'm using it as a storage basket. Moving on, I forgot to tell you guys about my side table, like storage thing. Quite cute. I got this from Spin. That's the name of the brand. Then I have this board to organize my life. Is also my favorite spot. I got this rug from Banjara and this mirror from Banjara again. If you see these knobs, these are basically for, you know, wooden stuff, but I tried to shove it in and I use it, you know, to hang stuff. And then there's a plant. You should really see the ceiling. It's pretty, right? All the shoots for my thrift store, if you guys follow me on Instagram, I do them here. That's the grey wallpaper that I use for taking pictures, and this is my flatmate's room. You wouldn't want to see that. It's quite kind of pointless. Then if you come forward, this is one corner. I think it's quite cute. Then again, I tried to, you know, do something here, but that did not make sense at all. This is my laundry room, guest bathroom, guest toilet. When I tell you this bathroom was ugly, it was actually very ugly. I tried my best, you know, to make it look pretty. And see a pretty rug. That's where you poop. That's to wipe your ass. Then there's a washing machine because you have to do your laundry, right? Candles, freshener, tissue, hand wash. This mirror is kinda ass, but I have to work with it. A towel, a pretty plant, some more plants, laundry basket. Next to this wall, you enter my room. Welcome to my room. My room is pretty basic. I didn't put, you know, much effort in my room. I don't know why. Since where I sleep, cute table right there with a cute chair. I sit here and do nothing. There's a body lotion to moisturize. Candle again. A bowl for pens that I never use. Then you will see my bed. It's a huge ass bed. And believe it or not, I just made it fresh for you guys. I never bought a bed. I sleep on the mattress. Why, you may ask? Because there's this lamp which is fucked. As you guys can see, it's naked from the bottom. It got fucked because this is paper. There's a side table that I never use. Why? Because I sleep on the other side. Piece of art. And I sleep with my cutie right there. Couldn't do anything about these closets because I don't know, my house came with these fucking ass looking closets, so I try to make use of it. I don't really use these. It's like a storage space. And next room is the coolest room in the house. It's my filming room where I film, where I keep my stuff, my clothes. So let's go. So you enter, right? So this is my filming room. Also where I get ready and I have my stuff. This is my dressing. I have my lip glosses, my lip balms, some perfumes to smell nice, face cream, body lotion, more body lotion, more body lotion. I have stuff for like an entire community. Look at my size, just look at my size. But the stuff that I own is for an entire community. Some perfumes, more perfumes. This one's my favorite, by the way. It's by Burberry. It's Burberry Body, the classic one. You guys should really invest in one. Then if you look inside, I don't own a lot of makeup. I have very limited stuff. That's my makeup brushes, some mascaras, sunglasses, some more sunglasses, watches. You guys don't want to see all that. It's not a fucking haul. If you move further, there's this really cute storage basket where I keep my straightener and my hair dryer and my curling iron in. There's this mirror again. Got it from Banjara. This is to sit on while I do my makeup. This door goes out to the balcony. That balcony is quite ugly, so I wouldn't want to waste your time or my time. Fuck that. Also, there are a lot of pigeons outside, so I'm very scared to. There's this tool I got from IKEA, which I think is really cute. So I use it as a table. And there's this poster that I stuck on the wall today again. I think this one, with this I did a pretty good job. It's pretty straight. There's a rug. Then this clothing rack is basically for my thrift store. All the stuff that I've been selling is hung up here so that I don't get confused with my stuff. There's this bean bag. I got this from this shoe rack. A lot of people keep asking me about it. There was literally one person on my Instagram who asked me about this rack. I love to exaggerate stuff, so that's what I'm doing right now. I DIY'd it again. I googled a picture of a shoe rack, took it to a local guy, got it made for I think 3,000 bucks, and then painted it myself. Amazing, I know. All my shoes, this is where my money goes, literally. And if you turn around, there's a tripod that I use for filming. Then some stuff again for millennial shit. I think the lighting has gone bad, but it's okay. You guys have to deal with it. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, and I'm really tired. So if you look at these closets, these came with the house, right? So I have to utilize these closets. So I have all my jackets. Actually, jackets are in the other closet. Fuck. All my t-shirts and shirts and basic tops here. Some extra stuff there. Undies, that is for bras. These are those tiny tops which you can't fold, so I never fold those because they're so fucking tiny. There's nothing to fold, also nothing to cover, so I just throw them inside. Some shorts and skirts. If you open this, you will see pants and a few shirts and jackets here. All my bralettes, socks. Fuck. That's my pooping station. There's a rug down there so that I feel comfy while I poop. This is where I brush my teeth. This is a storage unit where I keep my stuff. A tissue box, dry shampoo, curling cream for my curls, a basket for my hair ties, face oil, some lip scrub, candle again, and then some face wash, mouthwash, scrub, body butter, toner. You guys don't care about all this, right? Or do you? My lens liquid, my lenses, earbuds, some toilet paper to wipe my ass, extra stuff like sanitary napkins and shit. A laundry basket. Behind these curtains is where I take a bath. I'll show it to you guys anyway. I tried really hard to make it look nicer. All my bathing stuff is here. Shampoo, basic stuff. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's about it. I think I'm done. So that's about it. I've literally covered everything, I think. I didn't show you guys the balconies. I have two balconies. One that's right behind, one that's there. The balcony is not that pretty, so I didn't feel like, I didn't want to waste your time and my time, to be very honest. This is my big ass apartment. This is where I live. I'll go now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It will only take like a second, you guys. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.